How to fix iPhone stuck on white screen. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first and the most effective fix for this issue is simply force restart your iPhone. So in order to do that, simply quickly press and release the volume up button followed by quickly press and release the volume down button and then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This will take your iPhone to a forced restart, and this might help you in fixing majority of major and minor glitches on your iPhone. See if that helps, and if not, then you can simply try to charge your iPhone. So connect your iPhone to a charger for at least 30 minutes and then try to force restart again and see if that helps. If not, then you can also update or restore your iPhone using a computer. So connect your iPhone to a Mac or Windows PC and then put your iPhone into the recovery mode. You can then open Finder on Mac OS, or you can also open iTunes on Windows or older Mac OS. When prompted, choose the update option in order to reinstall iOS without erasing your data, and then choose the restore option and see if that helps you in fixing your issue. If not, then you can check for hardware issues, as if your iPhone still shows only a white screen after restoring, the display or another internal component may be damaged. So this is more likely if the device was recently dropped or exposed to liquid. So you might need to take your iPhone to a certified Apple store, or you can also simply contact Apple support for further assistance. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone stuck on white screen. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.